Islam is the fastest growing religion all over the world. The world's population is estimated to be 8 billion people in the year 2021. Quarter of them are Muslims, that is 2 billion Muslims around the world. Large number indeed. Therefore, to make it easier for all the Muslims around the globe to learn more about Islam, to master reciting and understanding the Holy Quran, and to learn the Arabic language and Islamic studies, we found the need to launch Ijaza.com. Our certified scholars have taught thousands of students all over the world. With Ijaza.com, your Quran journey will start with a free 7-minute assessment, then followed with free one-on-one trials in a brother-to-brother and sister-to-sister setting, until the best match is found for each student. Ijaza.com dedication to provide you with the best service was translated in our 24/7, 365 live real people support team. Ijaza.com, where no true desire to learn the Quran is left behind.